When you're dealing with a 20, 30, or even a 40-degree difference between morning and afternoon, do you have to sacrifice dressing for one or the other? Staying cold in the morning or cooking in the afternoon? The answer is no. You can accommodate for both. So stay tuned. So, to expand on what I was saying, when you're dealing with a 30, 40 degree difference, some people might think, dress for the ride. So you're gonna dress for the cold weather, for the hot. Well, let me tell you what I do to accommodate for both. First thing I do, for morning, when it's really cold, I have 4 Seasons gear. It has rain and thermal liner, so I'm nice and warm. I have winter gloves, I have a baklava around my neck, and I'm wearing my touring boots. So all of that can keep me pretty well warm. Afternoon, we'll get to that. The trick is, you have to stay warm. You can't let your hands or feet ever get numb. If you do, you can't feel the controls. So that is what I do to get ready. Because my bike is an old car bike, she has to warm up while I gear up. So that is what I'm going to do next, is get her ready to go. Now that I'm home, let me tell you how I gear up from morning to afternoon. Right now it's 75 degrees, actually pretty good. But what I do is, in this 4 Seasons gear, I remove all the liners, stuff it in my backpack. The baklava in my backpack. The winter gloves in my backpack, because I carried my summer gloves with me. Now, on a really, really hot day, I can open up all the vents and give myself more air. The only thing I didn't tell you about this morning is, in my backpack, I carry my work shoes. So I don't wear the touring boots throughout the entire day. They're bulky, heavy, they're hot. I need regular work shoes, so I carry them with me. So when I gear up, when I leave work, I put the shoes in my backpack. So, I am not going to sacrifice being too cold in the morning, and hands and feet are being numb, and my neck is killing me, and I'm not going to sweat it out when I get home. I'm going to accommodate and provide me with the materials I need to prepare for both sides. Welcome to the high desert right by the Rockies. That's what happens most of the year. Summer, not so much. But late spring, early fall, it happens. Super chilly in the morning, hot in the afternoon. So, in conclusion, you can dress accordingly too. Know your weather, know what's going on, and then you can dress accordingly. Stay safe, guys.